Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to on auto rotate screen in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to on, so guys you can on. And guys, now let's see how to on auto rotate screen in Vivo phone. Today guys, I am going to show you guys how can you on it in your Vivo phone. So first of all guys, come in your phone setting app and guys scroll it and guys click on display and brightness setting. And guys scroll it and guys you can see auto rotate screen. So guys you can on from this right side. And guys how it's work in your Vivo phone. So guys suppose guys you are using YouTube and guys you want to rotate your phone, so guys you can rotate. So guys now let's see. So guys you can rotate your phone auto rotate. So I hope friends you have understood how to on auto rotate screen in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.